Today I'm going to show you how this GPT works. This is the coloring page converter that I created. I'm going to show you how it works today. This GPT, you can just come in here and upload your picture, your image, whatever picture you upload here, it will turn it for you into a coloring page. Okay, let's go to the first one. Let me find the picture. I went to Google and I looked for some picture. I'm looking for cute pictures. Let me see this one. Yeah, this one right here. I'm going to copy it. Right click, copy image, and then I'll come in here and I'll paste it in here. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, it's uploaded, and I'm going to send it. And then it is analyzing the image and it will turn it into a coloring page for us. After I turn it into a coloring page, if you're not satisfied with your result, you can ask for refining it, for refinement. You can ask for refinement. If it can change it up for you, you can just go on and ask. Okay, it will do it for you. It's programmed to do that. And we are waiting for our result. Okay, it's coming in, coming. Look at our result. Our coloring page is almost ready. You see how it turned it for you in a coloring page for us right here. Like this same lady. It did not put the background in it. If you want to ask for the background, it will give it to you. So it say here, here is your detailed color page. Would you do like a detailed version? You can ask for a detailed version. Because this is the question, I will put in yes. Okay, and it will give us another version. I love this. Look at that. I love this. So you can create coloring books with any image you want, without grayscale, without shade. It will give you outlines that you can color. That's so amazing about this GPT. Okay, we are waiting for this one. Yeah, you don't see any grayscale and whatsoever. No, you can go on and add your colors, whatever color you want to put for the hair. You can go and do that. It does not give grayscale. Okay, now it gave us this one. Okay, it gave us this one. This one is cute. Okay, because we asked for a detailed version. What are you going to do when it gives you this? You can ask again. Remove fine lines. Remove the fine lines. Remove the fine lines. Okay, you ask to remove the fine lines, and you will see what it will turn it in for you. So you get this one. You can use this one if you want to. This is so pretty, and you will get one with the removed fine lines. It will make it smoother for you. Okay, so for one image you can get 3 different ones. So for instance, if you have an order, to turn images for someone into coloring pages, this GPT will do it for you. Okay, if you're satisfied with the first one, you go and take it. But if you're not, it will ask you the question if you want a detailed version, and it will give you a detailed version like the person but in black and white. And also you can ask for a removed, you see that it remove the fine line and it make it or like with thicker lines, but you still can go in and color it. You see that? So you get 3 kind of. For instance, if you have an order to create coloring pages for someone, you can charge for all the 3 versions. You can charge for all the 3 versions, I can tell you. Okay, you can ask the person, do you want this? Do you want all your pages to be in this one, in this form, or do you want your pages to be like this, like the detailed version, or you want your pages to be like the where you remove the fine lines, if you want like thicker, bold outline. So you can ask your customer about it. So this is amazing. I'm telling you, it will give you this as the first option, where you can color any part of the image. And here the other one, and here the other one. Let's go to another image. In this case, I will go to a cartoon. Let's look for a cartoon. Right now it's Christmas season. Let's go for Santa Claus cartoon. Okay, Santa Claus cartoon. Let's go to images. Um, let's look for a cute Santa Claus. Let's look for a very complicated one. A very complicated one. Let's say this guy here, PNG3. So this guy here, we want to turn this guy into a coloring page. It's pretty big. I will right click and I will copy this image and I will go to my GPT here and I will paste it in here. Without asking for anything, you can send it and it will analyze the image and it will give us the coloring page. Okay, but you can also ask if you want to, like you want the things in the back here removed, you don't want them with the picture, you can ask for that too. Okay, yeah, I've noticed that ChatGPT takes like almost 2 minutes to create an image. Yes, they do. Like almost 2 minutes to create 2 minutes to create an image. Yeah, that's why I created this GPT. You know why? Because when you're going to create a coloring page with ChatGPT, sometimes they will give you grayscale and all those things, and then you have to generate one after another because it's not clean enough. Because it has grayscale. Because it has that. Oh, this GPT will do it for you. This GPT will clean the image up for you without grayscale or without unnecessary black spots. Look at this here. So let's look at this guy. You don't have to break your head about um, um, you see? You see that? You don't have to break your head about, oh, it will come out grayscale, it will come out this and that. You see, it came out black and white without any of that. Let's go and look for, okay, we had an African American already, but let's go look for a dark skin, um, let's say man. Let's go for a man. Dark skin, we want a dark skin man. Okay. Let's go for, how do we call this guy? Kofi. Come on. Okay, this image is pretty small. I'm gonna right click and copy it. And then we go here. And I will post this guy and I will send it. So we want a coloring page of this guy without grayscale. It's coming in. We are about, okay, we get the big reveal. This is our big reveal. Okay, let's look at this guy. His hairline is there. His glasses. Okay. His face, his mouth, eyes are in there. His nose. Oh, he's showing peace. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to ask for something. Here is the detailed version. Okay, it gave me the detailed version already. I'm going to ask, can you give me a softer version? Um, can you give me a softer version? Let's see. I just went into the, or I just asked for the white beard. If I ask for a white beard, it will give me white beard. Okay, it will give me a softer version. Okay, it gives us a softer version. You see that? You see that? You see that? So we got a coloring page. So you see that you can ask, when you get this version, you can ask for the softer version. When you get this version, you can ask for a detailed version, and it will give you this, and you can ask to remove fine lines, and it will give you that. You can choose with whichever you want, which version you want. Let me tell you this. With images like with cartoons and 3D and all that, you will get your coloring page immediately, no fuss. But with photos, you can get different outcomes. Okay, you can get different outcomes, but it works. It really works. You can, with this GPT, you can create a whole coloring book. You can create custom coloring book. For instance, a birthday, if your child birthday, and you want to create a coloring book as a as a gift. For instance, if you have a child and it's his or her birthday, you can create a coloring book, small coloring book of coloring pages as a giveaway. And also, for instance, you can do paint parties with these images because they come out so well. You see, paint parties. Look at this one. Paint parties where you can paint, color all the parts of the design. There's no black and all that. This GPT will do that for you. If you're interested, I will have the link below. Okay, and you see the demonstration here that it works. And you can watch this video and you can do the same thing I did here. Let's go back here, right here. So this is the first image that you get. Everything is open, white fill. Here is the, when you ask for a detail form, it will give you with like a real human photo in black and white, like pencil, but you can also clean it up and it will do this for you too. And then we went to this 3D image and it turned it for you immediately into coloring page. Okay, and so for instance, if you have a lot of these in your computer, you can turn all of them in coloring pages with this GPT. No grayscale, no headaches and all that. We took this guy, this image is pretty dark, like the background is dark too. This guy has black on and he's dark skin. We got this and we asked for a softer version, and we got this one here. Okay, okay. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And also, if you're interested in the GPT, I will leave the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.